This is Joe from Prolific Audio. I'm here to show you how to modify the 9500 series and 8500 series brains to fit with our Jeep JK kit. Your first thing you're gonna do is take the brain out of the box. Came in, so it's gonna look like this. First thing we do is we take the 3 screws out on top of the covers. The 8500 only has 1 screw, and you'll not use these screws anymore, or the cover. You can set it to the side. Step 2 is to take the front cover off. We won't need that either. You can set that aside. Since we have it upside down, we can take these 2 screws out the bottom. 8500, they're still there. They're just further on the outside. To the side. Now we have 4 little screws on both sides. We need to take all 4 of those out. Okay, now we're on the inside again. You can see the carrier here. The cover board with your heat sinks. You can take these 4 screws out here. To the side. Now we need to take this ribbon cable loose, flip the bar up, pull it straight out. Now we can remove this carrier here. What we're going to do is we're going to slide it forward. And slide it up like that. Okay, pick it up, and then move it on top of the chassis itself. You can also unplug this one if you'd like. You don't need to though if you want. Leave it on there. All right, now we're ready to do our ribbon cable extension. In the kit, you're gonna have a ribbon cable and an adapter. To use these, you flip the bars up. You'll see them straight up and down. Put the blue cable in until it's fully seated, and then push it down. Same thing here. Push it in until it's fully seated. Push the bar down. The line blue should be evenly inserted. I can see it's a little more inserted on this side and this side, so I need to redo it. Okay, now it's fully seated properly. Now you can put this one on this side. Let's see this out. Make sure the line is straight. It is. Good to go. All right, now we can set this up here. We need to put the carrier back on for the time. You can put that down there like that. Hold on to it. We can now put this back on. We need to rotate the antenna so it's towards the top like that. Take your cord, goes in like this, and then around. And line your screw holes back up, and then put your 4 screws back in. All right, at this point in time, you're gonna take the ribbon cable that we put down towards the bottom and bring it back up to the top like that. In the kit, you have the dust cover here. All right, first we're gonna take these 2 screws out. Now we're ready to install the dust cover that comes with the kit. This goes on here like that. I'll line the 2 holes up with the bottom, put those screws back in. Do not tighten them, just get them started. All right, we got those started. Now we're ready to see how these fingers are on the outside of the chassis on both sides. We now need to put them on the inside of the chassis, so lift it straight up. Be mindful of that cord that's in the inside for the Wi-Fi antenna. Slide it down like that. It's going to be in about the right spot when this angle hits about the back side of the chassis, but you'll also see once we get it in there properly, because top piece is set, you'll see how it fits in there right. So first thing we're going to do is we got to align the side pieces so the screws can be seen, holes. kit's gonna come with mounting brackets on the sides like this. This is, the front holes are 9,500 holes. The rear holes are 8,500 holes. So rear hole, front hole. So now we're gonna line these up. The kit comes with, this is actually within your radio itself. Be in a blue bag or a red bag, depending on 9,500 or 8,500. Take the screws out. Front hole. Go ahead and tighten these down once you get them both started. Same thing on the other side. Line the holes up. Bracket on top, using the front holes. Tighten down. Now we're ready to tighten these two screws down. Now you'll see the two screw holes there line up with the black pieces in the kit itself. 4 more screws, black screws like this. They're ready to be installed. Don't need to super crank these down, they just need to be a little tight. If you go too hard, you will strip them out. I'm holding the black ear on the inside of the unit with my finger while I screw it down. So holding on the inside, you can see the ears on the inside. Same thing on the other way. Line up to the hole, hold it, screw it. All right, that's all there is to the assembly of the 9500 brain modification, or 8500 for our Jeep JK kit. It's Joe from Prolific Audio. I appreciate it. Thank you.